Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jemima and this is part 2 of the room makeover. So in part 1 I started out with cleaning my room and painting my walls Manhattan grey. I'm absolutely in love with this colour and I think it represents me so well. After that it was time to tackle the outside closet where I put all my stuff. Let me just show you the space out there and then you'll see what I'm working with and what I have left to do. I wanted to bring everything back inside and put things underneath the bed, and the things that were out, I wanted to just make them a little bit more tidier and neater. So I had to tackle the bookcase, the DIY cubes, and just also the storage underneath the bed, coming up with ways to make it easier to access that. I actually had most of the things I needed. It was just about reallocating things and moving things around. It was just about decluttering and getting things to fit underneath the bed, and the things that were out on display to just fit the aesthetic I was going for. So yeah, let's get into the video. The Amazon stuff has come, and so yeah, this is the one that is made from fabric and it's got some nice little clear things and acts as windows. So then in here I've got 6 of these baskets. They feel pretty good, like they can hold a couple of things. So I've got some cable ties. And then I've got a pack of 7, I think, different size acrylic like plastic things. So I'm almost done. I just brought in these DIY shelf boxes things, and I just want to arrange them and put whatever else in the black basket or clear container, just because they are really cramped. It's really full. All that's left for tonight is just to sort out these wires. But yeah, so let's get into them. At the moment I've just got them in like my makeshift boxes. Done for today. This is where I'm going to leave it. I've brought everything in from, well, most of everything in from the closet. Everything else is going to get thrown away. Now I'm about to go take out the trash. use the clear organisers to put my keys and wallets, things I need on a regular basis. And then I've also got some of the jewellery that I use daily, rose gold, gold and silver. This side of my room still doesn't look much different. It's just the underneath of the bed now has all my stuff, and so the chargers and wires that I need for my desk are really easy to access underneath there. And I've also got the DIY cube, and I've got some extra blankets and pillows in there. And underneath the bed, everything that I need I can see with the clear windows. So that is the layout of the room right now. I'm pretty happy with the storage I got, and I think everything is pretty easy to access. So the next part of this room makeover is to literally change my chair. I think I finally decided on the one I want, and also to get some new curtains and some decor. The next part is really just adding little touches to complete the room. So that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment and subscribe so I know what to keep posting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!